welcome to my vlog. It's me again, Pearl. And today we have a new item to unwrap or unbox with, okay? So I received this item yesterday. This is ordered by my spouse. This is something that I can use in business, for cooking, for doing a hobby, and food making as well, okay? So let's get started. So, buksan na natin. Tan-tararan. Ayun. Basurahan to ate. Ayan. Very nice ang pagka-packing niya, guys. So, ayan. Guys, oh. What is this? Diba? Gawa ka agad. Oh. Ita-tighten mo lang siya. Meron naman siyang ganito. Ready na siya. Ano, ang galing no? Higpitan mo lang siya. Ayan, yung takoyaki pa. This is, I paid 432 sa courier. Kasama na yung shipping fee. Okay, so it's at 3 items. Isang box. Okay, so bye and thanks for watching. Ayan. Abangan nyo guys, gagawa kami ni Shasha ng takoyaki food soon. And we're excited about it. Okay? Bye and thanks for watching. I hope you would love to give a like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell button for you to be get notified whenever I posted up a new video. Bye and God bless.